No.
Go ahead.
No. No.
Noah's first try at breaking his chair down. Friday we will get the hand controls put in the truck, so we want to make sure he can get in the truck and get his chair in this truck by himself. We've done the truck before. We know he can do this. The chairs will be the interesting part, right, Noah?
Yeah.
All right, so I don't know if you want to put your seatbelt on now just to make sure you don't fall out.
Yeah.
While you're trying to grab your chair and stuff, and then we'll see how you do breaking the chair down. And you can try to put the wheels behind the back seat. I moved that other seat up a little bit. And I don't know if you want to do cushion first too. I'm not sure what you want to take off first. You want to flip it on its side first? Wow, let's try not to scratch my truck up too much. Alright, and then you put that behind the other seat. Alright. Now to fold that up and get it in. That'll be the tough part, huh? I think you're going to want to turn the wheels the other way. I think you're going to want to rotate it the other way so then you can rotate it around your body. Okay, you're stuck on the seat belt. You're going to choke yourself out. Or you can
choke myself out.
Well, you know what I mean.
No, I don't.
You're going to get in your own way.
I don't know.
It's trial and error. Trial and error. We'll have to figure it out. The seat's all the way back.
No, it wasn't.
Oh, was it? Didn't you? Okay.
Still not. It'll be out of the way.
Okay, remember you got to get your seatbelt and seat belted in so it doesn't hit you if you get in a car accident. All right. See how easy it is to get in and out of the car?
Yeah.
Wave to us, Noah. All right. Now I'll take it all the way back out and get back out. We won't record that. We'll go from there, okay?